What are if statements?
This part of programming lets your code make decisions by checking if something is true or false. When a certain condition is met, a specific block of code runs. If not, the program can do something else or simply move on. This ability to choose different paths is what makes programs flexible and interactive.
How an if statement works.
An if statement checks a condition like whether a number is greater than 10. If the answer is yes, the code inside the statement runs. If not, it skips to the next part. For example, in Python, if temperature equals 30, print, it's hot. Here, the message prints only if the temperature is above 30. Otherwise, nothing happens.
Adding else and else if, Elif.
You can use else to tell your program what to do if the condition is false. For example, if it rains, take an umbrella. Else, wear sunglasses. Some languages also use else if or elif for multiple choices. This way, your code can handle complex decisions with several possible outcomes, one after the other.
Indentation and syntax basics.
Syntax is the set of rules for writing if statements correctly. In many languages, the code to execute if the condition is true must be indented or inside curly braces. For example, in Python, you use a colon and indent the next line. In JavaScript or C, you use braces. Paying attention to these rules prevents errors.
Real-world example.
Imagine a login system. If you enter the correct password, the program lets you in. Else, it shows an error. This is a common use of if statements, controlling what happens based on user input or data. By learning to use if, else, and else if, you'll unlock the power to build smarter programs.